I've got a package here for a Doris.
Oh, yeah, right this way. To reassign some staff. Yeah. You notice a lot of changes around here. Roy, I'll see you for lunch. You know, Albany cut our budget by almost 50%, and that includes all 80 zoos, botanical gardens, and aquariums.
Hello, Mr. Bronx Zoo?
What are you going to do? At the end of the day, we still need to provide thousands of jobs for local communities, educate the next generation of conservationists, and generate millions of dollars for the state in tourism and economic development. We'll do what we can. We can't do it all. Doris, watch out for the tortoise. Can you sign for this?
Four tickets, please? Huh. Okay. Thanks. Okay, come on, guys. That was weird.